Alright, so back to picking a problem. It's jumping on cloud. Actually, this one looks fun. Jumping on clouds. So child is playing a cloud hopping game. Numbered clouds. Okay, modulus. Energy level remaining. So the cloud types. What the heck? Okay, so if it lands on a sunder cloud, its energy decreases by 2. Final energy level. Wait, why is it moving? Okay, so what is k, the length of one jump? So the first line contains two space-separated integers, k and n and k. So n is an array of the cloud type. Oh, because... What, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, okay, k is 2. Got it. So if it lands... Okay, so for x in range, why is it talking about the modulus function? Oh, because they reference it here. Okay, right. So n divided by n modulus k equals 0, which means it's implying we use n divided by k in our code. So for x in range 0, n over k, we are going to do... Right, so every time it goes... What is 0? Right, so you start on 0, which is a 0. So if you go on a red cloud, which is a 1... Okay, so... x... Okay, so cloud num equals 0 if C is the array, yeah. So if C of x plus k is equal to 1, then we are going to so energy level only starts at 100, I think. So energy G equals 100. So if it's equal to 1, then E minus equals 2, else E minus equals 1. So for x in range, cloud num, and then return E. I highly, oh, oops. Float, oh, okay, it needs to be an int. Because when you do divisors, I think the default type becomes a float. Cloud num, and then cloud num plus equals k. Let's run it again. Nice. Not nice. Let's submit. Let's see how many we pass. 2. That's really bad. How did it get to 80? I'm missing a rule. Oh, you loop it until it reaches 0. Okay, how to make an array loop and then check if you reached a specific index. Okay, so I want to turn the loop into a circle that I can keep going on over and over. Huh, okay. Okay, it will jump to cloud. Cloud num equals Okay, so let's ask how we can do this in the loop. Okay, so oh, okay. I like this logic better, so I'm just going to restart. So we use a while loop. Oh, okay, we can't use the condition because we need to break the loop, or else the loop will stop and we won't be able to grab our output. So while true, we're going to take this code over here, the I plus k over n. So while true, e minus equals 1 if c of k so the index equals plus k modulus n and EIN, and that's a really funny acronym. So I equals 0, n equals the length of clouds. So what are we doing here? Energy starts at 100, this is given. I is a variable we're using to keep track of the index, and they give us the code for the index right here, where to cloud C of I plus k modulus n. So I is to track the index, and then C of I equals 1, E minus equals, what does it say? An additional 2 is taken away. So we need a colon. And then if I equals 0, that breaks the loop. Now, the reason why we break the loop when I equals 0 is because that means that when you add k and you do modulus n, it's back at... Okay, k is the number of steps. I is 0. Oh, okay, n is the length. Basically, it means that you've reached the number of cycles which has allowed you to loop through. So if I plus k modulus n equals 0, that means you've looped back to your starting point. And if you're not at exactly your starting point, you're going to have a remainder because it's doing modulus n. So it's checking to see if the remainder is the remainder of your index plus the number of steps, because 1 in the future, the remainder of that divided by the original number of clouds, checking whether that is 0, because that means you're at the very start. So passed all the test cases, and that's it.